right, you guys, so today's video is a day in the life of an entrepreneur slash Etsy seller. If you are not interested in that type of video, you might want to go ahead and click off right now because that's what today's video is about. So for the rest of you who are still here, thank you for watching. Keep watching.
Respect people who are working with them, whether it is how they take care of their employees or their staff.
is a little bit different from my other videos. It's basically a day in the life of an Etsy seller. So a day in the life of me. Yeah, so I hope you are enjoying so far. Right now I have already fulfilled my orders. Now I'm about to go drop them off at the post office. My camera died, so excuse the quality. Right now I'm using my iPhone to record. It's all good though. It's all good. So I'm gonna tell y'all about today, about what happened. So basically, you know, I checked my items that I ordered because, you know, during this coronavirus, I hope you are staying safe and staying at home. The only reason I'm out right now is to ship my stuff and go right back home. Anyways, I had to order my stuff offline now because before I was able to order it online and pick it up locally. But I can't do that right now because they're shut down and their shipping is too much. So therefore I had to order offline. Anyhow, once I received my order, I received it yesterday and I checked it today, and come to find out 2 things were missing. So this is my first time, you know, this is my first problem with the company. You know, every order since then has been on point, but this one, no. And then on top of that, I was running just a little behind on my shipping time. The order needed to go out today. Needless to say, it cannot because, you know, I don't have what I need to fulfill the thing, you know. But you know, it happens. It happens. So anyhow, I called them. At first I was heated, but I was like, you know what? I know how this works. You know, it's not the customer service problem. It's the person whoever pulled the order problem. So I put my feelings to the side, and when I saw, I was like, I hope they don't think I'm about to pay shipping for this again to get what I'm missing. No ma'am. So I called, and then I spoke to someone and told them what was missing. And then, because on the little form thing that they sent with it, it said that it was already fulfilled. Everything that was supposed to be in the box was in the box, and that was not the case. So I told her that, and then she said that they'll ship out, you know, what was missing. And I said, so I don't have to pay for this, right? And then she was like, no. I was like, okay, good. I wasn't going to anyway. I mean, I didn't say that part, but I wasn't going to anyway because that was your fault. So anywho, that's what happened. But other than that, I'm so glad I'm done with my orders today. For the rest of the day, I might watch, let me see, what's my latest binge watch? Comment below what your binge watch is for, you know, during this time of quarantine right now. So I don't watch Sabrina on Netflix. I don't remember what else I've watched. But anyways, right now the one I'm watching, I thought it was called Siren, but it's Siren. So that's my latest binge watch right now. I just started watching it last night. But other than that, my other regular shows that I'm watching The Masked Singer, For Life, Empire, and I know it's one more, Manifest. I like Manifest. The one that I like the most out of all of them, though, I had to say Empire. I've been rocking with Empire since day one. Tell me what your quarantine binge watches are right now. Comment below. So anyways, yeah, I mean, that's it. You know, I ain't gonna hold y'all. I'm on my way to the post office right now, about to drop these off and go back home and watch Siren, most likely. If I really want to get ahead, you know, I should just, what I planned on doing was taking a break and then getting back to fulfill some more orders so I can stay on top of my orders. But, you know, sometimes your flesh, you just feel tired, and that's how I feel right now. I want my peace, but I won't spend no money. You know, I'm in the phase of, you know, if I ain't got to spend it, I don't want to spend it. Period. Let me know if you're enjoying this day in the life. This is my first day in the life video as an Etsy seller. So let me know if you're enjoying this. You know, give me some feedback. What would you like to see more of? Would you like to see more of some day in the life videos? Or just, you know, the other videos that I do, the more just structured videos. This is more flowy. So